Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to send a picture with text to a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. If you've just updated WhatsApp and things look a little different, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step clearly and simply. First, open your preferred browser and go to WhatsApp Web. You can do this by typing WhatsApp Web into your search bar, then signing in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're connected, you'll see all of your WhatsApp chats and groups displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, click on the group you want to send the message to. It will open in the main window, showing all the previous messages and media from that group. Make sure you're in the right chat so your picture goes to the correct place. Now, look to the bottom of the chat window. You'll see a plus icon right next to the message box. Click on that icon and a few options will appear. From those options, select photos and videos. This is where you'll upload your image. After clicking, a file explorer window will pop up on your screen. Browse through your files and select the photo you want to send. Once you've chosen it, click open and the image will appear as a preview inside your chat window. Here's the best part, you can type your message right below the picture before you send it. Maybe it's a caption, a bit of context, or just something fun to share with your group. Once everything looks good, simply hit the send button and your photo along with your text will be delivered instantly. And that's it. You've successfully sent a picture with text to a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web. It's quick, simple, and works perfectly with the latest update. Try it out and make your group chats more visual and engaging than ever before.